welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a cook Sunday dinner with me. It's been a while since I've got in the kitchen and did a cooking video, so today I'm excited. I'll be making macaroni and cheese from scratch, salmon, green beans, and honey cornbread. So right now I'm at the grocery store about to pick up some things that we didn't have at the house. I made a list on my phone. I have to pick up milk, butter, green beans, cornbread, drinks, plastic forks, and the salmon. I forgot to put that down. But yeah, so I'm about to run in here really quick, grab that, and then head back to the house. So if you're interested in watching this video, before we get into it, like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I am back home from the grocery store. The first thing I did was boiled some elbow noodles in a pot of hot water, and I put a drop of this grapeseed oil in it. So right now I'm just waiting for the noodles to get done before I create the cheese mixture and everything. So stay tuned to see how everything comes out. So the noodles are done. I'm gonna strain the water off of them in this little thingy here, and while I do that, I'm gonna run some water on them to clean them off. Okay, so these are the noodles. I poured them in a pan. Next, I'm gonna add the eggs. For this size pan, I'm gonna do like 4 eggs. Then I'm gonna grab a fork to mix the egg in. Next, I'm gonna add some sour cream, just a little bit. Next, for the seasonings, I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit. And then some accent. And this is where the flavor is gonna come from, so I'm gonna add a generous amount. Okay, I'm gonna mix all of that in. Okay, next for cheese, I'm gonna go in with this mild cheddar cheese, shredded cheese. Butter in there. I'm just gonna scoop some off of my fork here. Lastly, we're gonna add some milk. I'm just gonna pour it until I can see it. like that. Alrighty, so the macaroni and cheese is ready to go in the oven. It is already preheated at 350, so I'm just gonna put this pan in the oven. Okay, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes, so what I'm gonna do now is stir it up a little bit. Alright, so I went ahead and added some more cheese on the top. It could use a little bit more, but that's all we got, so it'll do. Now I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 15 to 20 more minutes. And then the macaroni and cheese will be done. Okay, next for the salmon, I really just, you know, this is preference. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoned salt. A little bit of accent. A little bit of Cajun. And then a little bit of onion powder. All right, I'm gonna place both pieces on this piece of aluminum foil. Okay, now I'm just gonna place the salmon into the oven next to the macaroni. Spread those. All right, so I'm gonna let that cook in the oven for about 15 more minutes, and then I'm gonna move on to the green beans and the cornbread, and dinner will almost be done. So stay tuned. Now for the cornbread. We got a pack of Jiffy cornbread mix. Okay, just gonna pour all that in there, like so. We need 1 egg. We need 1/3 cup of milk. I'm gonna stir all this together. All right, so I melted some butter in this pan here. I'm gonna pour the cornbread mixture inside. I'm gonna place this in the oven. Now for the green beans, just gonna place them in a pot with a little bit of water down there. I drained all the water that actually comes in the can. And these are just seasoned to taste, so I'm just gonna add a whole lot of accent. And some complete seasoning. With a little bit of butter, that little piece from earlier, I can put that in there. And I'm gonna add a little bit more. Right, I'm gonna let that cook. The salmon is done. The macaroni and cheese is done. Like I said, it could have been a whole lot more cheese on the top, but I did a taste test and it's pretty good, so I'm satisfied. Still gonna get 8. Then the cornbread. All right, y'all, this is how it's looking. I am so excited. That's my brother plate. The cornbread wasn't ready yet and I have no patience to wait, so I'm about to dig in. 1 to 10, rate it.
1.5. It's straight, it's good.
Thank you very much. We're about to eat. If you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.